I had to refilm because my address popped up. This was one of my add-ons, the Fenty Beauty Tahiti Teas. This came in my Ultimate Kors. I don't know what that word is. I mean, I can't pronounce it. Rose Sauvage. Then we have a Rare Beauty lotion. I got this NARS quad, but I got it in February, so I'm giving it away. This must be the Natasha Denona palette. Yep. I got my Dream palette. Oh god, they gave me 2 bouncy creams of the Rare Beauty. Dear God. Here's the palette. This looks so much fun. No, why would they give me 2? Okay, I'm gonna give that to my friend. Oh god, they gave me... Oh no. This is another Natasha Denona palette. Or no, maybe it's the face palette. Oh god, I don't know what's going on here. Oh, yup. My friend's gonna be happy about that. Oh, this is my add-on. I got a Halo Glow Beauty Wand. I believe I got a, something from Lady Gaga's line. Yes, here it is. Hush Beauty by Lady Gaga. It's a blush. Let me open it. And I'm pretty sure I'm looking at 2 face palettes too. Somebody's getting fired at Ipsy. I was wondering why this box was so heavy. I do like Makeup by Mario, but this color just isn't for me, so I'm gonna give that to my friend. And I have a feeling this is the True Mini Natasha Denona face palette. This is gonna be so pretty. I'm gonna double check. I don't think I'm missing anything. Look how pretty it is. Oh, I thought the